Welcome back to your maths class. Hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself. Our today's topic is subtraction, and under it we will learn subtraction of 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit number. Let us learn subtraction of 2-digit number first. So here is an example 26. From this we have to subtract 8. We will put minus sign. We always start subtraction from right hand side and moves in left hand side. Also we write this bigger number at the top, and below it we write smaller number. We always subtract smaller from the bigger one. So starting from ones, we can see that to subtract 8 from 6 it is not possible because 6 is smaller than 8. So we borrow from the neighboring number, that is 2, but 2 is actually not 2, it is 20. So when we borrow 1 from it, it means we are borrowing 10. So what is left there at tens? Only 10. So we cut 2, and in place of that we will write 1 at tens to show the 10. And also when we add this 10 to 6 it will become 16. So we cut 6 also, and in place of 6 at once we will write 16. So now we can subtract 8 from 16 and we get 8 after subtraction. 1 remain as it is at tens because nothing to subtract, so answer is 18. Taking one more example from the number 35, let us subtract 17 and we will put minus sign also before it. So here also 7 is smaller than 5, so we will borrow from 3 which is at tens place. So 3 is actually 30. From when we borrow 10 it will become 20. So in place of tens we will now cut 3 and write 2 to show 2 tens. And when we add 10 in 5 it will become 15. So we will cut 5 also, and at once we will write 15. Now from 15 we can subtract 7 and the answer will become 8. So from 2 also when we subtract 1 it will become 1 only. So 18 is the answer after subtraction. Now we will learn subtraction of 3-digit number. Let us take an example 675. From this we will subtract the number 637. We will put minus sign before it. Here also we start from ones. We can see that 7 is smaller than 5. Again we have to borrow from the neighboring number, that is 7, and the value of 7 is 70. So from 70 when we take away 1 it means we are taking away tens. So what is left? 60. So we will cut 7 and at tens we will write 6 to show the value of 60. And when we add this 10 to the 5 it will become 15. So we will cut 5 and at once we will write 15. So from 15 when we subtract 7 we will get 8. From 6 when we subtract 3 we will get 3, and from 6 when we subtract 6 we will get 0. So answer is 38 after subtraction. Now we will learn subtraction of 4-digit number. Taking an example, a number which is 5071. From this we will subtract a number which is 4637. We will put minus sign before starting and we will start from ones. We can see that 7 is smaller than 1, so we have to borrow from 7, which is actually not 7 but 70. When we borrow 1 from it means we are borrowing 10. So 70 minus 10 is 60. So at tens we will write 6 to show the value of 60 after cutting 7. And when we add 10 to 1 we will get 11. So at once we will cut 1 and we will write 11 in ones column. From 11 when we subtract 7 we will get 4, and from 6 when we subtract 3 we will get 3. But it is not possible now to subtract 6 from 0. Again we have to borrow from 5 which is at 1000 place. So the value of 5 is 5000 actually, from which when we subtract 1 it means we are taking away 1000 from it. So what is left? 4000. So in thousands column we will write after cutting 5 4 at thousands place value, and in 100 column we will write 10 to show 1000. So from 1000 when we subtract 6, that is 600, what we will be left with? We will left with 400. So in hundreds column in answer block we will write 4, and when we subtract 4 from 4 we will get 0. So answer is 434. Thank you students. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.